Welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing my online shopping experience from Draz Online Pakistan. I purchased this screwdriver set, 6 pieces from Jannat Hardware. Total 595 Pakistani rupees, that is equal to 2.15 US dollars, and free shipping. We will see its quality. Is it good or not? 6-inch flat, 6-inch Phillips, 3.5-inch flat, 3.5-inch Phillips, 4-inch Phillips and flat. The first observation, this screwdriver is not straight. It has bent from here. It is not in center. Yes, here is gap. So there is a bend here. The first observation in this screwdriver. Then we will see this one. The same problem here. The same, this problem. Yes, all of these screwdrivers are bent in one side. Maybe it is from the manufacturer. Tips are not magnetized. Let's check this one. There is no brand name. Comparing its price and quality, we can say it is usable for light works. What is your opinion about this shopping experience? Please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.